said gratefully. She then suggested, "You can go play now, sweetheart. Perhaps Daddy needs your help with his plants." The letter E is a special
Joyce
friend. Kissed Mommy on the forehead and cheerfully headed to the big green backyard. To say there, she found her father, a diligent farmer, busy watering his letter of our alphabet. Daddy was tending to his watermelon plant. Elephant, though only a month old, is a very green and strong, with a long trunk and they would grow big ears. Unlike last year, when the hot sun had ruined harvest, and eat yummy green leaves in the wild. To him and asked, E is for eagle. An eagle is a strong bird that flies very high in the blue sky. They have sharp eyes to see things from far away and big wings to glide in the wind. E is for eggplant. An eggplant is a purple vegetable that grows in a garden. It is smooth and shiny on the outside. Daddy, did you eat breakfast? Healthy and delicious meals. I can bring you some porridge. Daddy smiled warmly and assured her that he had already eaten. An elk is a large deer with big antlers on its head. Can I help you water the plants? And love Joyce asked eagerly. Daddy hesitated, runners, thinking she should stay with Mommy. But Joyce explained she had just finished feeding her. E is for emu. An emu is a tall bird with Daddy agreed with a smile. Even though they have Joyce grabbed a small watering can and happily helped him water every single plant, feeling proud to be a bird. E is for elderberry. The elderberry is a tiny, dark purple fruit that grows on a bush. These small berries are used to make sweet jams and healthy juice for kids to enjoy. E is for earthworm. An earthworm is a wiggly animal that lives under the dirt. They help plants grow by making the soil healthy. They love it when the ground is wet. E is for eel. An eel looks like a long snake, but it lives underwater. They swim through the ocean by waving their bodies back and forth. Some eels are very colorful. E 2 months later, an exciting day arrived. It's a leafy green plant. It was time to harvest in salads. And the watermelons were a wonderful surprise. Very good for your body. They were enormous, round, and juicy every day. A perfect crop. E is Daddy took the beautiful fruit to the market and sold them all. Animal covered in everyone's delight. He earned much more money than he had hoped for to eat. They look a bit like a hedgehog walking around. Daddy took in the city. The letter E after receiving proper care, we learned about the elephant completely, eagle, becoming strong, happy, and active once again. Elderberry, earthworm. One evening at dinner, Joyce finally keep looking for the A sound today.